In case that I won't be able to join you, here's my explanation of my work. Hi, it's me, Drea, and I'm here with you to share my activity tree. And here is my concept in motion. It cannot be implemented at all since the first one is not suitable for small business. But yeah, I have three ideas to share with you right now. And the first one is grab boat. The problem here is city flood. Remember the recent typhoon that hit us? Remember the recent typhoon that hit us last June this year, 2024? Bagyong Karina and Bagyong Enteng leaves huge flood here in Manila. Grab boat idea is a meme that circles around online during typhoon. What if this idea turns into possibility? It might work same as the booking ride app, which only works when there's a typhoon or flood. If four-wheels vehicles can't pass by, let the grab boat offer its service. The target market of this business idea is employees. The revenue model, it will work same as the booking ride application. It has service fee based on how far the travel would take and how strong the current of the flood. For operation, first develop an application. This idea cannot stand alone. I want to offer this idea to other businesses for it to work. Second is this ship with its wheel, so that if ever the flood goes down, the ship still can travel around because it has wheels. Second product that I would like to introduce to you is Bush Pet Treat. The problem here is kidney disease and UTI. Most pet, especially cat, usually dies from this kind of diseases. Based on vet clinics, once dogs and cats already develop this kind of diseases, it cannot be resolved or reversed with medications, only maintenance to avoid the symptoms of such diseases. Solution here is upon taking maintenance, medicines attack other organs of our pet which cannot be avoided has consequence. Shiny bush pet treat is a snack for pet alternative oral intake of maintenance medicine. Shiny bush plant has its natural ingredients that are helpful too. Our target market here is fur parents, vet, and pet rescuers. The revenue model here is business to consumer, and also it can be sold online. The differentiation is this is a pet feed that prevents kidney problem and UTI, but it's not the resolution for the actual problem because not all diseases cannot be determined with such symptoms only. The operations that we are planning to do on this kind of business idea is to gather these ingredients and in-house production in kitchen, outsourcing to contact manufacturer, packaging, and online sales platform with its reliable shipping, which is required because we're going to process its selling through online. Moving on to the last idea that I have is dragon fruit gummy. The problem here is lack of new flavor of candy for diabetic persons. Solution here is one serving of dragon fruit provides 8 to 9 grams of sugar. It is less than other tropical fruits. Bes- Besides that, a low GI score of 48 to 52 is ideal for diabetes management diet. The above benefits making dragon fruit a low-calorie and nutrient-dense fruit for diabetes. The target market here is diabetic persons, young adults, and health-conscious. The revenue model here is business to consumer, and we're going to sell it also via online. The difference of dragon fruit gummy to other normal gummy normal gummy contains a lot of sugar. Uncontrolled sugar will also lead to health issues. Operation here is to gather ingredients, blend the dragon fruit, cook it and add ingredients that will help to turn it into gummy. And the target market here is, yeah, young adults and kids also. And the marketing strategy that we have here is healthy blog, social media, and selling it online. That's all. Thank you. Bye.